Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the Crypto.com app and signing into your account. Authenticate with your password or biometrics. Once done, go to Settings, then Security, and choose Two-Factor Authentication. Make sure Google Authenticator is installed on the same phone. If you use another device, have it ready for scanning. You're doing this to add a strong second factor, a time-based code, so gather your backup codes and prepare to scan the QR immediately. Now choose Google Authenticator within Crypto.com and the app will display a QR code and a 16-digit key. Open Google Authenticator, tap Add, then scan a QR code or enter the key manually if scanning fails. Once the account appears in Authenticator, wait for a fresh 6-digit code and type it into Crypto.com's verification field. Make sure the phone clock is synchronized to network time. Incorrect time causes codes to fail. After verification, do not skip saving recovery codes. Finish by confirming Two-Factor is active and securely storing the recovery codes offline. A screenshot alone isn't safe. Log out and sign back in to test that the Authenticator code lets you access the account. If the code is rejected, first synchronize your phone's clock to network-provided time and try again. Time mismatch is the most common issue. If you're locked out, use the saved recovery codes or contact Crypto.com support with ID verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.